I'm Ed for Bikerheadz, and today we're talking about this guy, the Combat EVO. Okay, so here we have the Scorpion EXO Combat EVO. This is the 2020 version of the ever popular EXO Combat. Massive set of the EXO Combats. They've just revised it a little bit. I'll talk you through a few of the features. So starting with the shell construction, you've got polycarbonate shell construction with a ventilation point at the front. Really simple shell construction, keeping that price point low but keeping the safety high as with all Scorpions. Running down the front, you've got a tinted Sunshield, just one in the box now, not two as of last year. So it's £10 cheaper than last year's model because we removed one of the internal Sunshields. That simply lifts up when you want to move it up, pulls down when you want to put it down again. Really simple. Front face shield, this, as you can see on the side here, has a little logo on, says does not protect the chin from impact. Just so you know, that is not a protected part of the helmet. It is removable, it's simply there for weather protection and aesthetics. So you can remove the part there and use it as a simple open face helmet. Keeping the chimper off just so you can see the inside of it better. It's a fully removable lining. It's quick wick, so it's a wickable lining as well from Scorpion. The strap is a micro-lock strap, so infinite adjustment on the micro-lock there, and then you can adjust it manually on the buckle there as well, so you can get a nice, comfortable fit, and it's a quick release strap system. As with all Scorpions, you've got a 5-year warranty, so it's a really good warranty on a Scorpion, especially at a helmet this type of price point. These are available now from stock, so get down to your local Scorpion dealer and try it. For any more information on this or any of the Scorpion range, go to bikerheadz.co.uk.